Hello everyone. Thank you for joining this virtual event today. My name is Ted Callahan. I lead our Pro Advisor team and the team that represents your voices across Intuit to bring improvements and new features to the QuickBooks platform based on your feedback. Now, we know that many of you are up against the October 15th deadline and appreciate the fact that you took time out of your busy schedule to join us today. We hope this will be an engaging break from tax prep and other client work. We've got a packed agenda for you. Over the next hour, we'll be sharing details about our strategy to move upmarket and meet the needs of growing businesses. We'll highlight recent and upcoming launches of improvements across our platform, including our just launched new Intuit Enterprise Suite. We'll also hear from two of our Intuit leaders who are focused on delivering an integrated, scalable platform that meets your firm's needs, saves you and your team time, and makes you all more efficient when serving our shared customers. Before we jump in, I want to take a few moments to lay the foundation for why we're here today. An integral part of ensuring the success of all businesses on our platform is connect them to accounting firms like yours. You're a key part of how we deliver on our mission of powering prosperity for all our customers. Because we know that businesses are more successful when they work with an accounting firm, and more specifically, a firm delivering their services through our QuickBooks platform. Today, we're here to show you how we're expanding our commitment to serve businesses. We're moving up market to help mid-market businesses with more complex needs grow with confidence. And we're making investments across our entire platform to accomplish just that. And with you, we're focused on delivering one integrated platform that boosts your productivity, saves you time, and delivers actionable data-backed insights so you can advise your mid-sized clients on the business strategies that are going to help fuel their growth. All right, enough from me. First, on the agenda, we want to spend a few minutes highlighting recent product improvements implemented across the QuickBooks platform because of you. Many of our innovations were designed to help you and your growing clients be more productive. Others were created to better support your clients' financial health and position them for growth. And a number of our new features were designed to give your firms more operational flexibility to serve larger clients with even more complex needs. From QuickBooks Online Accountant to QBO, to payroll, to payments, and even more, let's check out these exciting updates based on your feedback.
We knew that if we brought accountants in with our product managers, with our teams, we could build better solutions. Get to engage directly with the people that make the decisions and make the changes within the program. And some point in the future, I get to see that really come to life. Not absolutely everything I say happens, but I am part of a collaborative effort to make an improvement in a product I love.
Going around, especially during the gallery walk, and being able to meet Intuit employees, and I walk up and they're like, "Hey, Tony, you remember when?"
I appreciate that people really do want to hear what I have to say and what our firm feels about these products and the QuickBooks environment in general. And now we're doing a gallery walk and we're hearing about all of these updates to features and benefits of the software that I know we gave them the early stages of, and now it's happening.
So I think one of the reasons that accountants get so fired up about it is that it's recognition of what they've been delivering to their clients in their local market.
You know, one thing I really want to highlight is that the accountants are such an important part of the QuickBooks ecosystem.
At Intuit, we've been rapidly innovating across our QuickBooks platform to help you better serve your clients with more complex needs. Let's start with the features we've launched to support you and your clients' productivity and focus on how we've improved controls and flexibility. As your firm grows, separation of duties becomes critical when delegating to your team in order to control user access to both your firm's and clients' books. With the new user management capabilities in QuickBooks Online Accountant, you can now assign predefined roles to your team members. This lets you manage access to your firm's as well as your clients' books and vary that access by client. And we're actively working to bring granular custom roles for both client and firm access. Your complex clients may also need more granular permissions for their teams, so we've enabled more customization within QuickBooks Online Advanced and QuickBooks Payroll. Now, either you or your clients can confidently grant teams the right level of access. With custom roles, we've enabled the separation of duties. Your firm or your clients can assign user-defined roles and permissions to the books. Custom roles can be created with view only, create, edit, and in some cases, delete permissions. We're also releasing new roles for common job duties that you and your clients can select. Clients using standalone QuickBooks Payroll Elite or QuickBooks Online will now be able to assign the new HR Manager role, granting full administrative access to QuickBooks Payroll, HR, and Time, without access to the client's books or financials. In the past, your firm may have run into complications with billing variability in QuickBooks Payroll due to fluctuations in client staffing. With split billing in QuickBooks Online Accountant, you now have the option to let your client own the payroll bill while your firm maintains the QuickBooks Online bill. Clients can directly pay for other QuickBooks services that have variable costs. With this added flexibility, you can standardize monthly billing for your clients and have one less thing to worry about. Let's move on to how we've improved both your clients and your firm's productivity with new workflows and automations. Your mid-market clients may require tailored or industry-specific charts of accounts. As a result, your firm may spend a significant amount of time setting these up. Additionally, you may want to establish standardization and best practices across your clients. Now you can create chart of accounts templates to enable your firm to efficiently accomplish this. Create, apply, and save customized chart of account templates to streamline and standardize client setup for your firm. Budgeting and forecasting for your clients can require the management and manipulation of countless spreadsheets. This can be challenging and time-consuming. In QuickBooks Online Advanced and Plus, we've improved the user interface for budgeting and extended the tool to support balance sheet budgets. We've also launched a new profit and loss forecasting tool exclusive to QBO Advanced. It enables you to forecast up to 3 years out. Based on historical data and calibrated with custom growth rates, in the past, you may have had to retroactively assign classes and projects to journal entries. This made job costing for classes and projects tedious and time-consuming, and employees' wages couldn't be easily split across multiple classes or projects, and classes assigned to hours in QuickBooks Time didn't flow into payroll or financial reports. Now, with payroll cost allocation in Payroll Premium and Elite, customers can assign one or multiple classes and projects to the wages of each employee when running payroll. This makes it easy to generate reports to analyze your client's P&L by class and project. In the past, if you ever had to backdate checks after a client's payroll had been run, you may have contacted our care team and endured typical wait times of 7 to 10 days. With self-service enhancements in payroll corrections, backdating checks can be done in minutes during an open tax quarter in all QuickBooks Online payroll solutions. This allows self-corrections to cover those times a past payroll needs to be recorded, such as paying an employee first and running payroll later, or voiding a check to recreate it with adjustments. This flexibility and control empowers you to deliver real-time paycheck resolutions within minutes rather than hours or days. And finally, let's explore the innovations that support the financial well-being of both your clients and your firm. Payment disputes can occasionally happen between your clients and their customers. With improvements to payments dispute protection, your clients can enjoy protection on credit and debit card disputes. No documents or proof required. Just have them turn on the coverage and we'll do the work. We'll cover up to $10,000 per dispute on card payments for up to $25,000 per year. We'll take care of chargebacks so you don't have to. QuickBooks Payments simplifies the financial transaction process for your mid-market clients and gets them paid 4 times faster. Clients can accept a variety of payment methods directly through QuickBooks, including cards, bank payments, and digital wallet payments. By integrating payment capabilities, transactions are automatically recorded and reconciled. This reduces the manual effort and errors often associated with traditional payment processing. Now, as an added benefit for accountants who sign up clients for QuickBooks Payments and have enrolled in the ProAdvisor Revenue Share Program, you can earn 20% net revenue on your clients' payments processing fees for 3 years. As you can see, we've been investing heavily across our entire platform to improve our offerings and help you better serve your clients, particularly those with more complex needs who are looking to grow with confidence. We're going to be there for you and your clients every step of the way.
Wow, that was a lot. If you missed something or you want to learn more, go to firmofthefuture.com. We've posted the video and an article that provides more details about all the improvements we just shared. Now, I mentioned earlier why our partnership is powerful and durable. Your success transforms the success of businesses on our platform. And your engagement with us on how we can continue to improve the QuickBooks platform for both your firm and your clients is invaluable. With this in mind, I want to introduce you to two of our leaders who drive the development of our QuickBooks platform. David Hahn, Senior Vice President of the QuickBooks Money platform, and Laurent Cellier, Senior Vice President of the Mid-Market and Payroll Solutions business. Together, Laurent and David lead hundreds of Intuit employees to create an integrated ecosystem that meets your needs and the needs of the businesses on our platform. I asked each of them to share what they're most excited about when it comes to upcoming QuickBooks innovations and how you, our accountants, have influenced their product roadmaps. Let's hear from Laurent and David.
Hello everyone, David Hahn here. I lead our QuickBooks Money team. Our evolution to move upmarket to deliver an end-to-end integrated platform that serves larger, growing businesses allows us to grow with those currently on our platform and serve new customers too. I share your passion to help your clients succeed and know you have a lot of thoughts about how we can improve the QuickBooks platform. We're committed to making the platform more effective and efficient for you and your clients. That's why we engage accountants throughout our product roadmap journey, whether directly through our in-product feedback experience or through our various partner council meetings and beta testing opportunities. You have unique perspectives because you're both using and recommending our money platform to your clients. So when we launch a new product feature or improvement, chances are an accountant has influenced it in some way. We know that over 80% of businesses that fail have experienced a cash flow challenge. And we are uniquely positioned to solve this challenge by helping customers seamlessly access a connected money platform. Our money workflows are supercharged by AI and automation, where Intuit Assist-generated invoice reminders get customers paid 45% faster. And with the data on our platform, we provide customers seamless access to capital, saving them time and helping them avoid any dips in cash flow. In addition to rapid innovation, we're focused on supporting the financial health of your clients, with more access to funding and protection on payments disputes. With our payments platform, your clients can instantly create payable invoices, send invoices in QuickBooks to get paid 4 times faster, and send recurring invoices to save you and your clients time. Businesses on our platform can now apply and, if eligible, access funds of up to $100,000 right within QuickBooks, giving them the cushion needed to weather cash flow mismatches, seasonality, inventory, and more. Looking ahead, we're doubling down on our investments in our money platform to deliver best-in-class, seamless solutions to help businesses get customers, get paid fast, manage cash flow, access capital, and pay employees with confidence and ease. It's an exciting time to be a business owner and an accountant engaging with our platform. And now, as an added benefit for accountants who sign up clients for QuickBooks Payments and have enrolled in the ProAdvisor Revenue Share Program, they can now earn 20% net revenue on their clients' payments processing fees for 3 years. As your clients' businesses grows, the time you spend managing payment to their vendors, suppliers, and contractors does too. Last year, we introduced our expanded money portfolio with QuickBooks Bill Pay, and this year, we've made significant strides in digitizing B2B payment workflows within Bill Pay. Additionally, we've integrated our money solutions into key workflows, modernizing our platform to drive AR and AP solutions with AI ingestion, tap to pay, and an extensive B2B network connecting businesses with payment-enabled wallets. Let's take a look.
As your client's business grows, the time you spend managing payment to their vendors, suppliers, and contractors does too. With QuickBooks Bill Pay, you can streamline the accounts payable process for all your clients, giving you more time to focus on other value-added services, as well as growing your own firm. QuickBooks Bill Pay has automation tools that make paying clients' bills less tedious. Simply invite your clients' vendors to provide their payment info and connect with them on the QuickBooks Business Network. Once connected, your clients and their vendors can send and receive invoices and bill payments right in QuickBooks Online. Or have those vendors send their invoices to you so you can forward them directly into your clients' QuickBooks accounts. You can also upload multiple invoices from your computer to QuickBooks yourself. QuickBooks will automatically create pre-filled bills for you to review, save, and pay. This process helps you avoid errors and can reduce manual data entry by 48%. All businesses are unique, and so are their accounts payable processes. With QuickBooks Bill Pay Elite, you set custom roles for your team and your clients. So you decide who can create, approve, and pay bills. You can also set up an approval workflow based on transaction amounts or other attributes, ensuring the right person is reviewing and approving the bill. To manage firm liabilities, you can give your team members a standard role in a client's books. This lets them help with all parts of the client's business while limiting their ability to pay a client's bill. Once you add a bill to QuickBooks, it's automatically routed to the appropriate person for approval. Then you or a designated person can set up the payment and send it out. You can make payments using ACH or check, and even schedule payments ahead of time, so you'll have one less thing to worry about later. And since everything's done in QuickBooks Online, your clients' expenses are automatically matched and organized, saving you time and providing a real-time view of their cash flow. With Bill Pay Premium or Elite, we'll track all payments to 1099 vendors and provide unlimited 1099 e-filing, printing, and mailing at no additional cost. QuickBooks Bill Pay saves you time and makes the accounts payable process more efficient for you and your clients, letting you both focus on scaling your business.
Let's start by looking at what we'll launch soon for accounts receivable, including automations powered by Intuit Assist. Imagine you're a sales rep for a mid-market company in the field, negotiating the details of a new project with a client and defining the scope of work. The sales rep opens up the QuickBooks app to create an estimate. They easily snap a photo of the notes they've taken on site. Intuit Assist automatically ingests the data, generating an estimate that includes customer info, product or service details, and most importantly, a deposit amount to secure the job. Once aligned on the scope of work, the client can soon tap their card and pay the deposit. And just like that, we've unlocked the power for our customers to secure sales on the spot. The business admin sees the deposit come through on their phone. They easily review, and with a few taps, convert the estimate into an invoice. All right from the palm of their hand. This is how our automations, powered by Intuit Assist, can help our customers take control of their quote-to-cash process and even streamline and accelerate the sales process, anywhere, anytime. It's not just about getting the estimate or sending the invoice. It's actually about getting paid. In fact, 63% of small business revenue comes from invoices, and late invoice payments cost small businesses $3 trillion per year. Here's how we're proactively helping business owners make sure those invoices get paid quickly and cover any gaps in cash flow that may arise while they're waiting for their money. The business owner gets a notification from QuickBooks predicting an upcoming cash flow dip. Based on their connected bank account balances, unpaid invoices, and the data on when those invoices have historically been paid, Intuit Assist is predicting a squeeze on cash flow next month and recommends a few ways to help. First, with AI-generated invoice reminders, we can make it easier than ever for our customers to remind their customers to pay them. Intuit Assist has already crafted the messages for the business owner to review. And if the business owner wants to make the tone a bit more formal, Intuit Assist can also edit it for them. And off it goes. The business owner reviews and can quickly send out the remaining overdue invoice reminders. Now, sometimes our customers just need quick access to cash to cover unexpected expenses. We make it easy for them to apply for a QuickBooks line of credit. They can see if their business has already been pre-qualified for a line of credit based on everything we know about them. The business owner reviews some pre-populated data on the application, enters in any additional information needed to complete it, and with everything looking good, they apply. Their application gets reviewed, and once approved, they can choose how much cash to draw out. For instance, they want to draw $10,000, just enough to cover upcoming business expenses. Their request is processed in a matter of minutes, and the money is funded in their bank account. What you just saw in this example, with our proactive projections and reminders, we empower customers to avoid cash flow struggles and to confidently manage their finances. Looking ahead, we're doubling down on our investments in our money platform to deliver best-in-class seamless solutions for payments, capital, banking, bill pay, and invoicing. To summarize, Intuit is uniquely positioned to lead the charge in transforming financial services. With our robust AI capabilities, our extensive platform, and our relentless focus on customer success, we are creating the future of money, setting new benchmarks in the industry and redefining financial possibilities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Laurent. I lead our payroll and mid-market teams. We spend a lot of time with accountants, whether it's at our Connect event, meeting with you through our Accountant Partner Council, engaging with you in Facebook groups, or in countless other conversations throughout the year. You deeply understand your clients' needs and have valuable recommendations and suggestions on how we can improve our QuickBooks products across the platform. In fact, specific to our payroll solutions, you've been wanting more advanced payroll features. And I'm super proud to say that your feedback has been applied across several improvement areas, providing more flexibility in how employees are paid, deeper insights for better decision-making, and added control in running payroll overall. From payroll check corrections after payroll to payroll cost allocation to a more streamlined employee verification process through our QuickBooks Workforce mobile app, you've played a significant role in creating a robust payroll solution. Based on your feedback, you've built a more integrated, seamless experience across QuickBooks Payroll and QuickBooks Time within QBO, so that you and your clients are no longer toggling back and forth between different apps and web browsers. We've built robust role-based access controls beyond payroll, so that you and your clients can choose who has permission to view, create, edit, or delete transactions, as well as what data employees can access within specific areas of sales, expenses, inventory, payroll, and more. Plus, you and your clients can set custom role-based access to manage the creation, editing, and viewing permissions for key financial, receivables, payroll, and other reports. I hope you're as excited as I am about our focus to continue to improve QuickBooks, the platform, and you've gained some insights into how important your feedback is in helping us identify areas where we can create more efficiencies for you and your clients. We believe that larger businesses are underserved and lack choices when it comes to an online integrated platform that scales with them as they grow. We're perfectly positioned to grow with these businesses as we've been serving them since the beginning of their journey. But we want to deliver more. We want to deliver a solution that scales with your clients as they grow and enables you to meet their more complex needs. Introducing Intuit Enterprise Suite, our new offering for larger, growing businesses that we announced 3 weeks ago. As your clients grow, so does their complexity, often managing multiple corporate entities, industry-specific needs, and requiring custom insights. Your team spends significant time switching between multiple QuickBooks accounts, third-party tools, and spreadsheets to understand what is happening across your clients' businesses. Stitching data together and extracting the insights to drive business profitability and growth is super time-consuming and painful. Intuit Enterprise Suite decreases manual, repetitive tasks with streamlined processes. It boosts productivity through automation and enables faster decision with real-time data and visibility across multi-entity portfolios to help your clients run their business more efficiently. With the power of AI, Intuit Enterprise Suite enhances profitability end-to-end with a full set of core capabilities all in one place, including access to robust financial management and accounting capabilities, integrated payroll, payments and bill pay, automated marketing, access to third-party apps, and a team of experts. The goal is to meet the needs of existing QuickBooks customers looking for more powerful functionality that can easily be accessed without losing the intuitive nature of Intuit's products. It will include industry-specific customizations for construction, nonprofit, and service and project-based businesses. I'm so excited about our journey as we begin to move upmarket to serve larger companies while also supporting smaller businesses as they grow and expand into mid-market enterprises. Let's hear more from your peers about what's needed to serve these larger, growing companies, and then learn more about Intuit Enterprise Suite.
The Intuit Enterprise Suite enhances our relationship with our clients by allowing us to tailor and customize our reporting and tracking to meet the needs of our nonprofit clients.
The detailed reporting and forecasting tools in the Intuit Enterprise Suite give us the ability to provide more insightful financial advice to our clients, which directly enhances the value of our services and support higher profitability for both our clients and the firm.
I feel that the Intuit Enterprise Suite will help drive profitability internally. As we're working on a software that we're familiar with working with, we'll be able to standardize around that software to provide ongoing routine accounting services. But with the workflows and the templates available in that software, we'll be able to streamline all of the accounting work and really focus on advisory.
We're excited to break into the mid-market with Intuit because clients like to stay with their existing product, and this new product will allow them to get the features they need without the need of changing software, so this drives mutual success.
Our strategy is to deliver more value to our clients with less effort, and so productivity and technology and innovation is a huge part of that. Intuit for years has been a great partner for us in that endeavor, and I see the Enterprise Suite as a big step forward to furthering the technology and the innovation and the automation that helps us be profitable as we deliver great value to our clients.
You're focused on driving your business forward, but with the complexity that accompanies growth, the tools that got you here won't take you to the next level. You want line of sight across your business, but your team has to manually pull data across systems. This impacts productivity, decision-making, and ultimately costs you more time and money, which becomes a headwind to growth. That's where Intuit Enterprise Suite comes in, a configurable AI-powered business platform that brings together all of your financial, payroll, HR, marketing, and cash flow tools in one place. It offers enterprise-level capabilities made intuitive, automation across workflows, industry customization, and next-level partnership from Intuit experts. With your tools and data connected, Enterprise Suite streamlines operations, increases productivity, and improves decision-making for your next phase of growth. Here's how. For multi-entity businesses, we've enabled powerful capabilities that simplify operations by connecting your businesses in one place. Manage your organization centrally and get a clear, comprehensive view of your entire organization's financials through consolidated reporting. With multi-entity accounting, you can now create intercompany journal entries with automatic intercompany eliminations. This reduces manual work and could save your team hours per month. With deeper industry customization and multi-dimensional chart of accounts, not only can you streamline your operation, but with up to 20 customizable dimensions, you can produce industry-specific insights. For construction businesses, we've included over 12 reports, KPI dashboards, change orders, and a project manager role. As you're managing your projects, Enterprise Suite helps you keep them on track. Get a 360 view of the financial health and status of projects. With AI-driven project profitability monitoring and root cause analysis, you can see which projects are on track or at risk so you can take immediate action. And since your employees track their time on our mobile app, you can automate payroll. See the impact of labor costs on project profitability in real time with no manual entry. Enterprise Suite helps you boost productivity and save time by automating tasks and workflows such as payroll, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. For example, stay on top of your cash flow by sending pay-enabled invoices directly from Enterprise Suite. Know the status of each invoice and stop chasing payments with AI-powered automated reminders to get paid up to 45% faster. As bills come in, Enterprise Suite automatically generates a pre-filled bill to pay your vendors and contractors. Streamline your accounts payable workflow with custom roles and approvals for each step in the process. You can even schedule bill payments in advance. By identifying signals from your financial transaction data, like recent purchasing behavior, your team can build marketing campaigns in MailChimp to engage your customers with personalized content. Campaigns using this integration generate email click-through rates 1.6 times higher than those who don't. Intuit Enterprise Suite is built with both powerful technology and next-level partnership to ensure ongoing success from setup to scaling up. Partner with a dedicated single point of contact and team of experts every step of the way. Talk with us today. Intuit Enterprise Suite. It's how a growing business keeps on growing.
As businesses grow in size and complexity with additional entities, their top priority is maintaining an accurate view of their performance across their entire portfolio. We understand how time-consuming it is for accountants to track intercompany transactions and consolidate financials for multi-entity businesses. The Intuit Enterprise Suite is a platform with multi-entity capabilities to help do just that. Now, you can manage multiple entities, perform intercompany transactions, and generate consolidated reports all in one place, reducing errors and saving hours of manual work. To simplify managing multiple entities, you can view the organization hierarchy from the multi-entity dashboard, and you can easily switch between entities using the drop-down. Intuit Enterprise Suite will save you hours by allowing you to manage intercompany transactions via intercompany journal entries, or directly from expenses, bills, checks, and bank feed transactions. Automatic eliminations are included in consolidated reports when you set up your intercompany accounts. And manual eliminations can be performed for more complex intercompany transactions to ensure accuracy in your consolidated financial statements. To get detailed insights for the whole portfolio, you can go to the Report Center and generate consolidated financial statements. The reports automatically display all entities side by side, along with the elimination and consolidated columns. You can even export to Excel using Spreadsheet Sync. As businesses grow, it helps to manage your settings centrally. Intuit Enterprise Suite provides centralized user management, so you can set granular access controls for authorized users across entities, ensuring each user only sees what's needed. You can also apply charts of accounts across entities using templates to create consistency across the portfolio. The multi-entity capabilities in the Intuit Enterprise Suite will help you build more efficient accounting processes and provide deeper insights to your clients so you can spend more time advising them and growing your practice. To make more confident and profitable decisions, we know how important it is for businesses to get an accurate view of their performance, not only at the organization level, but also by dimension, project, or program. Intuit Enterprise Suite is a configurable solution designed to meet the business intelligence and reporting needs of any industry. Through dimensions and project financials, businesses can customize the platform and get the detailed insights they need to make more informed decisions. Dimensions allows you to set up different attributes for your business, which can then be classified at both the transaction and line item level. This enables you to view financial data in reports grouped by these attributes. For example, a construction company can set up separate dimensions using property type and region. A product-based company, on the other hand, may use sales channels and product lines for granular sales analysis, and a nonprofit organization may use them to classify restricted and unrestricted funds for dimensional reporting. Once set up, you can classify accounts receivable and payable entries to the appropriate dimension values. With this feature, you can drill down into your profit and loss and custom reports in real time, saving countless hours of data manipulation and giving you confidence to make better business decisions. In addition, Intuit Enterprise Suite has robust project financials capabilities to help you manage transactions by project, which roll up into the company's financials. Project accounting is not limited to just construction, engineering, and consulting firms. For example, it can also be used by event agencies to track different client events, or nonprofits to track grants and programs. For project profitability tracking, the suite provides estimates versus actuals, work in progress, and other project-based reports. It also provides AI-generated Project 360 insights to help your projects stay within budget. Each analysis comes with a data report, allowing you to do your own deep dive. To streamline your project management and avoid manual workarounds, Intuit Enterprise Suite supports change orders with client approval workflows, so the project estimates are updated easily to track the latest actuals versus estimates throughout the project lifecycle. Intuit Enterprise Suite also supports different revenue recognition methods for your product and service items, such as straight line, percentage-based, milestone, and one-time event-based. This simplifies your accounting processes and saves you time. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, your time tracking, payroll, HR, and project financials are all in one platform. Employees can submit their time from anywhere for your approval. The payroll costs are then seamlessly pushed to your projects, so you always have an accurate view of your project profitability. The connected workflows eliminate double entry across systems, saving you time and reducing errors. Projects in the suite have robust accounts receivable and accounts payable functionalities, so you can easily manage your cash flow. For incoming payments, you can streamline accounts receivable and payment tracking with QuickBooks Payments to get paid up to 4 times faster. Your transactions are auto-reconciled in your books, meaning less manual matching at month's end. As you receive vendor invoices, you can schedule bill payment directly from the suite based on your cash flow needs without worrying about missing a deadline. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, you can streamline project workflows across your client base, increasing your firm's productivity, and leverage dimensions to deliver the insights needed to be their trusted advisor.
As we built Intuit Enterprise Suite, we designed with our accountant community in mind as well. The user experience in QuickBooks Online Accountant is designed to be easy and familiar. After your client signs up for Intuit Enterprise Suite and invites you to access their files, you will see your client in the Overview tab of QuickBooks Online Accountant. You will also see your other clients on QuickBooks Online Solutions. We have added a new multi-entity tab in QuickBooks Online Accountant that lets you and your team see your client's entire business on Intuit Enterprise Suite. This includes both parent and child businesses. You can also see reminders for banking, payroll, and tax returns for each business. As your clients on Intuit Enterprise Suite grow and add new child businesses, it'll be easy for you and your staff to help them continue to scale. If you would like to recommend a client for Intuit Enterprise Suite, whether they are new to Intuit or upgrading from other QuickBooks Online and desktop products, you can submit your client's contact information through a client referral form in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Simply go to Accountant Tools and click Intuit Enterprise Suite Referral. If you are enrolled in the ProAdvisor Revenue Share program, you will be eligible to earn $1,500 for every active client contract. You can submit your client and firm information, and we will connect with you to discuss and demo the Intuit Enterprise Suite for you and your client. As you can see, Intuit Enterprise Suite is integrated into the QuickBooks Online account user experience, from the management of multi-entity clients to the client referral process, with more features to come.
Thanks, David and Laurent. I hope you share their excitement about our continued work to put your feedback into action to improve the QuickBooks platform and bring to market our newest platform solution, the Intuit Enterprise Suite. And rest assured, our work continues as we improve the QuickBooks platform based on your input and further enhance the Intuit Enterprise Suite and our platform to meet the needs of growing clients. Are you ready to go deeper on that suite? Go to Accountant University to sign up for our 90-minute training by October 16th. Or if you're headed to Intuit Connect, stop by our booth. Finally, you can always visit us at intuit.com/enterprise to learn more. To thank accountants who refer clients to Intuit Enterprise Suite, we're offering $1,500 for every new signed contract. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online Accountant and fill out a client referral form. If you'd like to review today's content once more or share with your fellow colleagues, please visit firmofthefuture.com. Thank you for being here, spending your time with us today. We're so pumped about what the future holds and our continued work together with you to help businesses succeed as we strive to deliver a platform that meets your needs and the needs of our shared customers.